Hi, my name is Matthew Moreira with Century 21, and today I'll be talking with Adam Workman from CrossCountry Mortgage about the home loan process.
Listen, man. Hey, yo!
You should have your income documentation available, which would include 2 recent pay stubs, 2 years of W-2s, and 1 to 2 years of tax returns. If you are self-employed, it's important to have 2 years of tax returns and 2 years of business returns, if any, 1099s, K-1s, and W-2s. You should approximately have $1 million in small unmarked bills. I'm just kidding. First-time home buyers, and if you're going to occupy the property as your primary residence, can get by with 3% down on a conventional loan, 3.5% down on an FHA loan, and if you own property, worst case scenario would be 5% down on a conventional loan. Again, this is for owner occupants. A lot of people don't understand the underwriting guidelines, and the most common delay in the loan process is the movement of money in and out of your bank statements. It's important to consider the fact that the down payment and all funds used for closing must be sourced and must be liquid before you close. And that also would include your due diligence funds, your earnest money funds, and so when you're writing checks to go under contract, you have to remember that those payments do have to be sourced, that we have to see the money coming out of your bank statement, and also if you've had a lot of cash deposits in and out of your bank statements, we're going to have to show where that money or those cash deposits came from. If you're working with Team Workman, it only takes about 18 days. Your average lender, your brick and mortar lenders, such as your larger banks, usually are 45 to 60 days. A strong lender should be able to do it in 21 days or less. In the Charlotte area market, it's important to understand that there's going to be a huge amount of competition at almost every price point. What does competition mean to you as a buyer? It simply means that there are going to be other people scouring and watching the internet and potentially bidding on the same property that you prefer. That said, we're seeing multiple offers at almost every price point, which is creating a lot of competition. It's creating bidding wars, and people are having to compete for property and bid above the listing price. It should be expected that there would be competition, and it's important to be prepared and fully underwrite your loan to combat against that competition.